everybody, welcome to Moreality. We are going to be going over the button element today in Xcode, SwiftUI, and let's get right into it. So, right over here, we're going to go ahead and create another file called, make sure you click SwiftUI view, and it's going to be called button element. Go ahead, click create, and as you can see, our button element opened up. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and start creating our button. So let's get rid of this text, and let's go ahead and add our button. So button, we're going to have this, we're going to have action and label, and then what we're going to do in action is have print this, and we're going to have this delete tap. Okay, and then we're going to bring this down a little bit, put it in curly braces, okay, and we could actually get rid of this label. We're going to use image instead. So we have this, the button, this. Okay, and then we just need this. This down here. Put these two down here. Then we're gonna have this. And we're gonna have image in here. And in this image, we're going to have our own icon. So it's gonna be system name, and we'll do trash, lowercase trash. Okay, so you can see our little trash thing over here. You can click it just like a button. And what we're gonna do now is start styling it. Okay, so let's go ahead and go here, dot padding. Then we're going to do dot background color, or background. Then we'll have color dot, we can make it red. Okay. Then we're going to have clip shape. It's going to be circle. Okay. And then next thing, we're going to have font. And that font, we're going to have dot large title. So it makes it a bit bigger. And then we can make the front, the foreground color to be dot white. Okay. And as you can see, we have our button all made up. And we can go ahead and run the project, and we could actually see our button when we press it, and then in the console see it have delete tapped. So let's go back to our content view, and I'm just going to remove this and put button element. So now, if we bring our phone over, we go ahead and run this again. Now you can see our button, and I'm going to bring this up a bit so you can see the console. Let me get the simulator. See? As we press it, it says delete tab. And so if we go back to our button, over here, this is where you would put any of your actions. So if you wanted to keep track of a count and increment it by 1, you can have that, and then put a text in here that displays the count. That's where all your actions would go for the button. And then over here, you could, after this, you could style it. So we could even change this to a car. Let's see. Yep. You can have car. Anything that's in the SF symbols. Alright guys, that's going to be the end of this video. If you liked it, please leave a thumbs up. If you would like to see a part 2 of this, to where we actually make a function for the button to do and like go more into depth, then I would love to see that in the comments. And thank you, and have a great day.